See, as simple as this. Get yourself a container of this. You can get this in a gallon container, but I knew a gallon container wasn't going to be near enough. And it's easier to work out of a 3-gallon container like this rather than the 1-gallon ones, because you think, oh, I'll just get 3 1-gallon containers. If I only use 2, I can take 1 back. Well, yeah, you could do that, but trust me, on the 1-gallon containers, it's hard to get all the stuff out of it before you get it all over yourself, okay? Because you're trying to dig in there and get it all. So that's another reason why I like to use a 3-gallon container like this. It's easier to dip in. You can store this just as long as you can the 1-gallon ones. Okay. I would venture to say it's probably cheaper to buy a 3-gallon container than 3 1-gallon containers too. I didn't look at that at the store. Now they have this stuff in white too. It's a different type of product, but I knew this roof already had something up here, and I figured it was this black tar stuff, which it was, this old stuff. I could have used the white. Nobody's ever going to know the difference up here. Okay, so if you'd rather use the white, you can. Okay, let's put a little bit more of this on. I was trying to get this done before it rains. I don't think it's going to rain, but you never know. And so I thought I might as well get it up here now and be done with it. Okay, put your thin layer on top of there. Go beyond the yellow brick road along the edge. Taper it in, you know, along the edge. I can still see a little bit of the webbing, so just gonna put some more on there. Doesn't that look nice? Baking a cake. Putting that frosting on. Yeah, chocolate cake. Okay, I'm gonna fold that back, get it out of my way, and go some more. Are you getting it? I hope you are.